Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can purchase anything from Daraz by using your debit card, credit card. So if you want to purchase anything and you want to pay through your debit or credit card, then you can pay advance or you can also pay cash on delivery. So in order to pay with your debit or credit card, just simply select your product. So I will click on this. When you click on thing, just simply click on buy now. When you click on buy now, just simply you can see, just simply click on confirm to pay. So if you simply click on this, when you click on this, you will be at the very last page, a payment method or payout page. So here you have many options that you can pay for this product. The first one is Draws wallet. So if you have payment, if you have money in your Draws wallet, then you can select Draws wallet and simply click on top up and pay. But if you want to pay through credit or debit card, just simply click on this credit or debit card and just simply enter your card number detail and simply click on pay now and your payment will be paid.